When you get your driver's license, a passport, or heaven forbid, get arrested, your picture's taken and entered into government databases. Theoretically, that makes your mug searchable by law enforcement. But can facial recognition pick bad guys out of a crowd? Why wasn't the FBI using those security cam images able to identify the alleged Boston Marathon bombers?
Had they had a good enough image to get a match, they would have picked them up the next day.
Jim Albers, head of government operations for MorphoTrust, a company specializing in biometric solutions, has answers. His company's biggest customer? The U.S. government. At an R&D office in New Jersey, he demoed for us the type of system MorphoTrust supplies to federal agencies, which he's not allowed to name. But first, he had to enroll me into a demo database.
We're going to take a high-quality image of your face, and then we would put you in the database.
I'm told not to smile.
Okay, I'm now in the system with a neutral expression on my face. We're going to see how well this thing works.
This is the security camera, the same kind you see in banks and airports.
Just walking naturally down the hall.
Voila, I'm recognized. Then myself and Mr. Albers stroll through.
Put this to the test. Okay. No idea that we're being watched right now.
We're both matched at once.
I'm in disguise. We'll see if the camera is able to recognize me with sunglasses and a hat on.
Facial recognition defeated.
Just like the Boston situation. By the time you wear heavy glasses and a hat, you're taking more than half your face away.
I tried again, this time with just the sunglasses. It nabs me.
What other areas of my face is this algorithm looking at?
Well, there's 4 different techniques, from geometry of your face, if you will, all the way down to skin texture. So if I can get your skin texture, I can match you pretty well. Pores in your face, it's,
Pores in my face?
Yeah.
But isn't it better if the bad guys know that you can wear a hat and sunglasses, then you can probably be able to avoid being recognized?
That's right. That's right.
What's the solution?
Well, the solution is you have to use everything at your disposal.
In the case of the accused Boston bombers, everything included asking the public for help.
They released the images from the Lord & Taylor video, and hundreds of individuals sent photographs in, including some very high-quality images.
Mr. Albers says he doesn't have direct knowledge of the FBI's Boston investigation, but more images mean more options for forensic specialists. This is a demonstration of one technique called biometric fusion. Multiple low-quality video frames get processed by the facial recognition algorithm. A higher frame rate means higher accuracy.
What would it take to enable law enforcement to have a watch list and then be able to identify bad guys in a large crowd?
It would take improvements to the optics, is what the answer would be. So the better the optics, the better the match.
With current technology, the best way to get actionable images of crowds is at bottleneck entry points where you can require people to take their hats and sunglasses off. But it would also take authorities getting access to the millions of images stored by local, state, and federal governments, raising, as the technology improves, concerns about civil liberties versus public safety. Jason Bellini, The Wall Street Journal.